Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be installing carbon fiber mirror covers. So I got these on eBay. So yeah, we're going to be removing the OEM covers on both sides and replacing them with these new covers. We're going to start on the passenger side, that way if I mess up anything, which I hope I don't, it'll be on the passenger side. So I'm gonna heat these up and then start trying to pry. So I just finished the passenger side mirror. It actually looks really good. There's only a small little gap. It's right there, but you can't really see it. This is the old one. I broke one tab right there. It's not a big deal. I've seen people break like 3 tabs on each one. So I think this turned out pretty good. I'm gonna do the driver's side now. I'm gonna take it outside, and then I'm gonna take it outside so we can see how it looks in the sun. But yeah, I mean, it wasn't that hard. It probably took me about like 10 minutes to take off that one. Maybe this one will be faster, hopefully. Guys, this one's done as well. That one was way faster. And I actually didn't break any tabs on this one, so it looks really good. So I'm gonna go take it outside so we can see it in the sun. And yeah, that'll about wrap up this video. All right, guys, so these are the mirrors in the sun. I think they turned out really good. It's really nice and glossy. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about it, just leave them in the comments. And then make sure to subscribe because I got more mods coming. Thanks for watching.